How to threading. Put the thread on the spool pin. Pass through the guide hole. Go through the tension disc. Pass through the guide hole. Go through the take-up lever. Go through the guide hole under the take-up lever. Go through the guide hole above the needle. Threading the needle eye from left to right. Replace the bottom bobbin. Place the bobbin in the bobbin case. With the thread tail in clockwise, hold the upper thread, turn the hand wheel. You will see the bobbin thread is picked up. Then pull both threads and put them under the presser foot to the back.